Just a few days after Nothing announced that there wouldn't be any new CMF phones this year, the company's back with a teaser for a new line of phones. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech place. Nothing's official X account posted the main teaser for the Nothing Phone 4B, and it includes sketches of various possible designs without giving much away. It also says that we'll learn more on July 7th, but we know a bit more already though, as Nothing's co-founder, Akis Evangelidis, has explained on X that this B series is built on the success of the A series while maintaining a clear product hierarchy. They also said the A series remains our most premium line below our flagship products, which doesn't carry a letter designation. That's a longer way of saying that the Nothing Phone 4B will be lower end than the Nothing Phone 4A. And you know what else would have been lower end? The cancelled CMF Phone 3 Pro. So why would Nothing repackage the CMF Phone 3 Pro as the Phone 4B? Well, Nothing has stated that we won't see any new CMF phones this year thanks to the RAM crisis. What they might be able to do though is sell that phone at a price that makes sense for the more premium Nothing brand. So in other words, this is the CMF Phone 3 Pro at a higher price than Nothing could get away with without using CMF branding. But that's just speculation. It's possible that Nothing was actually working on Phone 4B along with the budget CMF Phone 3 Pro. You'll probably never know for sure whether this was originally designed as a CMF model or not, but at least you can learn more about the specs, features, and perhaps pricing of this phone very soon. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.